In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a template title block in AutoCAD. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to standardize their design documents easily, using pre-formatted templates for various types of projects. So let's dive right in and walk through this simple yet effective process. To begin with, focus your attention on the Layout tabs at the bottom of your AutoCAD interface. These tabs represent different layouts within your project. You're going to want to perform a right-click on them. When you do so, a menu will pop up, offering several options. From this list, choose from Template. Selecting this option will prompt a file selection dialog to appear on your screen, allowing you to choose from different template files you have at your disposal. Now that the file selection dialog is visible, look for the file type options. Here, you're aiming to select the .dwt file format. This is critical because .dwt files are AutoCAD's specific file format designed explicitly for templates, ensuring they're set up with predefined settings and objects tailored for your projects. Once you've set the file type, navigate to your Sheetsets folder. This folder is typically where you'll find a repository of block templates ready and waiting for your use. As you explore this folder, you'll notice various templates tailored for different disciplines like architectural, civil, and manufacturing. Each of these categories will offer both imperial and metric versions, depending on your specific project needs and regional requirements. Carefully select the template that best fits your project. For instance, if you're working on a building project, you might want to choose an architectural template that aligns with your design specifics. Click on your selected template to open it. After selecting your template, you'll encounter another dialog box that asks you to choose a layout. This is where you determine how you want your title block to be set up on your drawing. Make your choice here by clicking on the preferred layout option and then click OK. At this stage, the magic happens. The new title block layout, stemming from the template you meticulously selected, will populate your workspace. Voila! You now have a professionally structured title block seamlessly integrated into your design document. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can efficiently bring uniformity and professionalism to all your design projects. It's an easy process that can greatly improve the organization and presentation of your work. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you achieve cleaner and more efficient designs in AutoCAD.